Hey friends, today is the day we are checking out the Ryobi 4 volt. This is the USB Lithium. This is the 3 amp hour battery. What makes this so special? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. We talk about tools on this channel and all the cool innovations, so hang on. Here we go. So a long time ago, Ryobi had a Tech 4 line. Now this was not lithium, but they had a whole bunch of all these really technical tools, and they discontinued the line. Well, they've recently came out with a new 4 volt lithium line. This is USB because it charges via USB. Now if you look right here, you're going to have a USB-C connection right at the top. Now the first version they came out with was this 2 amp hour version right here. And it is what it says it is. It's just a plain old battery, and it goes into tools and lights and all the like. But you can't really tell anything about it. But on the 3 amp hour version, you got a little button, and if it's green, that means go. It means it's fully charged. If it's yellow, that means it's getting low. It's right there in the middle. When it's red, that means it's low. So you have a visual interpretation of where the life is at in the battery, at least the power that's stored inside of it. You can charge it from a regular old ice cube block, or whatever you want to call it, wall block. This is USB-C to USB-C, and that's pretty easy. You can use any of the other ones and uses just a regular cord. So it's nothing special. You can get fast chargers for them, and that's absolutely fine. But the reason why this is such a big deal, well, let me show you. If we plug it in here, it's green. That means go. We're going to take a 2 amp hour battery, plug it in, and look at that. We're actually charging battery to battery. Does that mean we have infinite power? Wait, did we just break the matrix? So anyways, back to reality. You can charge your phone from this. You can really charge just about anything that takes this right here, and it's within specifications. Do I think it's going to charge your laptop? Probably not. Do I think it's great for a phone? Absolutely. And that's why I really wanted this. But we have to take a look at some practical aspects of it. One of my favorite new tools that just came out, this is the clip fan. This runs off the 4 volts. Now let's see how long it can actually run this. Now this is rated to run for just about 7 hours on low. This has 2 speeds on the back of it, low and high, and it's really convenient. I love it. So with that being said, we're going to see how long this 3 amp hour fully charged 4 volt USB lithium battery can run this right here. Now I do have a security camera set up, so we'll be able to see all of this. Plug that up, and just so you know, it is fully charged. We're going to stick that in there. We're going to press the button. 1. All right, now that's on low. So we're just going to set this here. We're going to be able to see it from our really nice security camera sitting right there. And we're just going to watch it, and I will see you when this dies. The time right now is 9:19 p.m. Okay, so let's see what we have here. It shut off this morning at 8:12 a.m. Now, if it went off, what was it, 9? What did I have that out at like 9 something, 9:19 or something like that p.m. So this went just about 12 hours. So that is 11 hours, and we'll just call 11 hours even. I know there's a couple minutes in between for that, but off of a 3 amp hour battery, that's really good. And this being on low for running that long, from like 9 p.m. at night to 8 a.m. in the morning, that's pretty wicked good. So everybody, I hope that this gave you some good information, maybe a practical experience here for you to sink your teeth into. But this can also charge your phones, and that's what I'm most interested in, is taking these out, being able to charge my phone, you know, have them for the little cool fans and things like that, and for all the other really cool tech tools that will be coming out utilizing these batteries. And I can't imagine that they're not going to get bigger, well, bigger capacity and potential energy, because this right here, the size can't get bigger than that right there. So it's not that you can expand out. You need to keep it in the same same compact package. So maybe if they get better chemistry within their cells, that would make the difference. But everybody, I hope again that this helped you in some kind of way and that you found it informative. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Before you do that, do me a huge favor. Whenever you share the video, it's going to help us. We're trying to get people to use tools, to use their hands again, to get out there, to learn, make mistakes, because the only way that we do really learn and learn the best way is whenever you try. And well, you're going to fail more than you succeed a lot of times when you try, but that's okay, because then that's when we learn the most. And until next time, this is Brent with Live Free and Tool On. Take care.